Alright YouTube, so today I'm gonna unbox this one. It's a F&D 2.1 home theater system, and I got it delivered today. I bought it from Amazon, and this thing cost me $12.99, and that's a 2.1 home theater, a mini one. This is a very good one for the people who don't want to spend much money on the speaker system for playing games or whatever, or what is up YouTube. Alright YouTube, so today I'm gonna unbox this one. It's a F&D 2.1 home theater system, and I got it delivered today. I bought it from Amazon, and this thing cost me $12.99, and that's a 2.1 home theater, a mini one. So this is a very good one for, and this thing was sold by Apperia Retail Private Limited on Amazon. So that's it. And the problem is this box packing on this side. This looks very bad. I don't know the product inside. Probably the main unit, the subwoofer, stays at the bottom here, and on the and at the top satellite speakers are placed. So I hope that the subwoofer inside is intact and unharmed. This is a pretty bad thing, you can see. So anyway, it's a completely sealed pack, you can see. Well, let's open this thing. Alright, so what I get at the top, you can see that's the warranty card and user manual, and these two are the channel speakers. This is the other one, and that's the subwoofer inside. Let's take it out. Nothing else. So first of all, let's take this satellite speakers out of. This is the one. And this is another one. So now let's check the main unit. Alright, so this is the main unit. You can see that's the front side. There's a volume control knob, and that's the air passing port, and that's the LED light. And at the back, you can see this is the base control, power switch, input RCA sockets, and the speaker connectors, and that's the power cord. And at the bottom, that's the 4-inch driver subwoofer, and this is a RCA to 3.5 mm jack. And first of all, let me check the subwoofer, and I don't see any sign of damage on any corner or any side like that. So hope this is, so everything looks good. Now it's time to check this thing out. So that's the speaker connectors. You can see L and R are written there, and that's for L positive and L negative, and that's for R positive and are negative, so this thing is connected. And now let's connect this red to red and white to white. That's it, it's ready now. Let's set the volume at 50%. Alright, now I'm gonna connect this to my mobile phone here. Alright, let's turn this on. Now let's hear the sound. Alright, now the sound is very clear, and also the bass is very good for this size of subwoofer. So that's it for now. I'm gonna listen to it, and later I'm gonna do a sound test video on this thing in detail. I'll play a few different kind of songs, and then you're gonna check the sound in detail. So that's it for now. So stay tuned for that, and that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.